That song is like my ode to fucking drugs, man. Anyway, wanted to do a quick video today, just real fast. I was laughing about some shit this morning, and somebody had mentioned in a video the other day, and a couple of buddies of mine were talking about it this morning. How guitar players, how we describe sound. Like, we'll say, yeah, that it kind of sounds like the curtain going up and then it expands. You know what I mean? Or like, it sounds really steely, but like with a brass coating. Or like the guy the other day said in the video, he said, yeah, like guitar players will say, it sounds kind of spongy, but like a sponge with a bunch of sand on it. You know what I mean? So that's today's question is, you guys down in the comment section, I want to hear how you describe a certain sound on guitar. It could be a song, could be a pedal, an effect, an amp, a guitar, whatever. But put them down in the comment section, and we'll get the best ones together. And I don't know, we'll do something with them. I don't know, maybe we'll make a contest out of it. I got some shit to give away. I should give back. Anyway, see you next time.